Nella, and
today we're
going to be doing a unboxing of this. I'm gonna wrap this present like last year. Yeah, this is supposed to be my Christmas present that I wrapped for myself, which doesn't really make sense, but everything makes sense to me. So
I didn't do anything.
oh, okay. So yeah, I know what's inside, but you guys don't know. She knows. I know she knows.
Burn!
Don't touch it, please. Yeah, I just finished making our candle video. Yeah. I'm so bad talking. So let's just jump right into it. And yeah. This wrapping paper was expensive, but it was like the last one.
Okay.
Why did I... okay. So as you guys can see... it's LOL.
Yeah, I know.
Yahoo.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Need to wrapping off and done, I guess. Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's
So
sticky.
that's okay. Wait, I'm gonna show the box. Wait, or I need to get this table. So this is what it looks like. This is LOL remix.
Yes.
Hermesla also had one of these, but we unboxed it and like we forgot about this. So yeah, and 15 surprises. Wow, that's cool. Bye, rubbish.
Okay,
so let's open it.
No, Stella.
What did I just do?
You teleport.
Okay. This is scary, I guess.
So the door will.
Why is this not opening? Like
Because
everything is ripping
crazy.
apart.
Because it's just like carpet.
Okay. This is not nice. Like, I mean, opening is kind of fun, but it's not that nice. Whoa.
Oh
okay, this is the instructions.
Give me that.
Wait, not
Give
really.
me that.
Hermesla's version of this was like the pets one.
When?
But she doesn't use it anymore for some reason. I don't know why. Okay.
Yeah, because you were cheating on me.
We'll throw you later. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is a cool box. I don't know what this is supposed to represent. A vault? Whoa! Inside. Okay. So let's open it.
Give me the lid.
Oh, you can have the lid, sure. Now let's just take whatever is inside here.
Yeah, sure, that's
yours. Here's 2. Okay. I'm not good at these
minute.
unboxing things.
Uh-oh.
So yeah.
That
Ooh, the first thing I got is
a doll. Give me that. Oh my god. So it's stuck.
I don't know what this is. Is this like a thing for the babies?
So it's stuck.
Oh, wait.
I will open it.
Actually, it's I can open it. Why is this
a bottle?
Oh, never mind. It came out.
Oh my gosh, so it's a bottle. What's next?
Hey, woo!
I'm getting all of
the
it.
Baby. Yes.
Give me this.
Whoa! This looks funky.
So.
Okay, please. Okay.
Oh my god, we got
clothes.
clothes.
Looks like it has fishnets as the pants. I mean the leggings, I guess.
I'm taking all of it.
Curly, blue, and
shoes. Green. No way. Let's open the Neverland. Okay.
Whoa! We're opening everything. Okay, we didn't show this yet. This is the baby bottle.
Hey.
This is the dress.
Oh, I just opened it.
And these are
my gosh, a comb.
These are the shoes.
Okay, wait.
And then this is the comb.
What the?
And this is
Why is this so free?
This is a VIP
Oh my
pass.
gosh! A hair tie.
These are 2 hair ties. Oh. I can use these
wait,
too.
What is this?
Ooh, and here's a disc. Which won't play anything.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, here's some bracelets. There's another one.
A camera? No way. This bottle will
And
go
here's
to
a
the
camera.
sink.
Is that it?
Yeah. No, let's change her.
Wait, can I do it?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. So that was the 15 surprises. And yeah. Okay, can I change her?
Yeah, she's so...
Okay. Oh no, he didn't see my head the whole time. What a shame. I should turn the light on. Whoa! Okay, yeah, I'm sorry about that.
So what about the clothes?
Looks like I'm gonna put on the clothes. Thank you.
So what about the earrings? And shoes. So is that
Ooh.
a camera?
The way it wears, it's like a jacket, but like the other way. Like, you know how a jacket you have to wear like that? Just have to wear like that. Kind of weird.
Yes. So it has a cone on it. Look. The cone?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
This is not easy. This is kind of hard.
Yeah, I know. She's so... So what about the skirt?
Hey, whoa, she looks cool.
And
Now
the
let's put on the
skirt.
skirt.
The necklace is too hard. Look at this.
Oops, wrong way.
What the?
Whoa, she looks cool.
Mm.
She has earrings too, I just realized.
Yeah, I knew it.
Now let me put on her shoes.
Wait, Noah. Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, wait, let me see. Okay, let's check. Remix it.
Oh,
Okay,
oops, I was
what do we
putting it on the wrong
got?
way.
Okay, what do we got?
Why is this so hard?
Okay, so what do we got? Ruby. Oh my gosh, it changed colors.
Huh?
See, it's changed colors.
Oh, it changes colors.
Water?
Oh. Okay, let's see later.
Wait, it says Sex Queen,
6
Bubble
points.
Glass Queen,
Ooh.
Nisha.
Can brush
So
her
we got
hair.
Shella, what about the bottle? It's so ugly. Shella, what about this?
It's bracelets.
Wait, is that a necklace?
No, it's, yeah. Well, it's not really a necklace.
It's a VB.
It's a VIP, not VP.
Wait, why do they have...
Whoa, it's so cool.
Oh no, it ripped.
Let's put on a necklace.
So this is the camera. So why is the candle is melting? It looks so sad. Wait, can you put water and ice on it?
Later. Okay, now let's put the hair ties. Ooh, it comes with hair ties, but does it for you, I guess.
Wait, can you put a bottle she drinks?
What does it look like? Ooh,
Looks like a muffin.
did you just try to drink from it? Don't do that.
No, she will drink it. No, Shanola, the doll will drink it. That's fine, the girl will drink it.
I am so confused.
Why is the name is Reby? So why is the name is Reby? Okay, let me see. Uh-oh.
Okay,
So what do we
just-
have? Wait, it says
So how do you put this camera?
when I'm with my we with fancy side to side.
So it looks like, I guess, yeah. This video's already so long.
Are you gonna brush her hair?
I already brushed it. I mean, isn't it even... Hold up, oh, the
There's a
camera.
camera. It does
Yeah.
not fit.
This one is, I don't know.
What happened to her? Let's take this bottle off.
How do you get this off? Ooh, oh. You can get this and... What? I don't know how this works.
Look at that.
I'm so confused. What is this?
I know. I'm gonna get a brush her hair. You're so fancy and beautiful. So her hair looks so beautiful.
It
And
looks like this, I guess.
she'll look. It's just like peanut butter. She'll. Oh no! Eat it. Eat it.
Okay,
So
this is what it
here's
looks like, I
his
guess.
camera.
It looks really interesting. Yeah. Okay, so hey guys. What's her name?
Rebe. Ah! I'm
Oh,
kidding.
nothing happened. It's okay.
I'm gonna brush her
Wait a minute.
hair.
Okay. Yeah, I guess this is it for this video. See you in the next video.
No, the bottom will do the video.
Bye.
No, not the
Oh,
not
and
the
wait,
Give me
not bye
this,
bye
give
yet.
me
Bye bye yet. Okay, so if you liked this video or enjoyed it, please like this video. And if you have anything to say, like anything, it's okay if
Hey.
you have any criticism.
Video.
But yeah, if you have anything to say, comment down below. And lastly, if you enjoy content in general, please just subscribe.